All right, guys. So, like I said, I'm going to share. So the goal is 52 apps in 52 weeks. So this is, and like I mentioned previously, one of the first few apps I've already done. So we're like at almost we're going into, this is actually the fourth week of the month of the year, and so I'm going to show you some of the apps that I've built in the last couple of weeks. This one here, it's YTOOBI. And what it does is for you affiliate marketers out there, uh, um, you've probably come across uh, apps similar to this. And what this does is it allows you to take any YouTube video and embed any YouTube video, wrap it, insert your own buttons and calls to action, and then place it on your website or your blog, anywhere where you can embed a video. And then, so it'll show just like you see here. It'll be a button like that. If you go to, you know, um, something, it'll show you call to action over the video. All right. So let me show you my Replit account. All right, before I show you my YouTube account, let me actually show you how this works, right, in action. So this is on a blog, daily exercises, daily bodyweight exercises. And so you can see that the video plays, so it doesn't interfere with any of that. All of that is still, compliant. But you see this nice uh, call to action here. So if you click on that, it takes the person to Amazon, and it has the affiliate ID. All right, so all you're doing is you're just sharing a great video, and you happen to put your link, your CTA over the video. Now there are a couple of options. You don't have to do that style. You can do an overlay. Okay. Um, yeah. So this is my Replit account. And unfortunately, when I built this one, I wasn't, thinking of sharing the details on how I did it, from coming up with the idea and then being able to explain it. So I definitely learned a lot building this one out. For this one, I used what services I used. I used Resend for transactional emails. So transactional emails, for those of you that don't know, that's a service that allows you to send business, let's say business or system emails, no marketing emails through Resend. I believe they do have a marketing component to it, but I'm just using it for the transactional, which makes it a lot easier to get approved and all that stuff. They don't fuss about you doing that sort of stuff. All right, so I poked around the back end, and I don't recall doing anything else. As you can see, this is a very simple but useful app that it took me about a weekend actually to build it. A little bit more, maybe an extra day for the design and stuff like that. But that's just because I enjoy that stuff. So I said, oh, let me make it look really pretty, so that I can use it as a demo for others that might need my help building this type of app, and also to add to my portfolio, because I am a full-time designer developer outside of Replit. So I do WordPress and automation and all that sort of stuff. So you need help, reach out to me. Um, Let me see what else I want to share with you. Okay, at minimum, what it does is, let's find a YouTube video. Put it up here. Make sure nothing funky shows up. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, so I'll do this one. This one, nothing wrong with little Snoopy. Okay, so let me. Okay, so I'll show you. So I'm just grabbing, or maybe I can show you here. So I'm just grabbing this URL, drop it into. YTOOBI, and then it gets the wrapper. Okay, it asks you what type of CTA, what type of wrapper you want to create. You could do overlay or ribbon. This is a ribbon. This is an overlay. I'm just going to go with ribbon, and then you can change all of this. So, you know, visit my cozy cafe, right? So I guess it doesn't really matter, right? Okay. And the only reason I'm capitalizing it because then it shows up that way. And then you put whatever you want to put here, like 10% off, or if you want to put whatever you want to put there, learn more, whatever, you can change it also, and then where you want it to link to. So we'll do something easy and neutral, ebay.com, dark theme. You can choose a theme, light theme, right? Dark theme on video, below the video, right? So that's pretty cool on the video. And then when do you want it to show on load? So when do you want the CTA to show up? And then after 5-second delay, and that's how it'll show up. So I'm just going to put it on load. So then you generate the embed code, right? And here you have it. So you have a simple or you have responsive. Either work fine. You just grab this here, and then you drop it into your WordPress blog post or wherever you want to use it, and that's it. It's that simple. If we test it, it'll look like this. Now, again, keep in mind that this looks like this because it's just a full iframe. There's nothing, there's no, like padding or anything like that that you'd normally see in a blog post. All right, so this is the back end. As a super administrator, this is what I get to see. Now, I just, I can manage videos. So if there's something inappropriate or people are misusing it, then I can come back here. I can also see who's using it and the settings and all that, right? Delete videos. As I see, maybe they were abandoned, never really viewed, like this one. It's 2 months and almost 2 months and nobody has really watched it. That's because it was a test, right? But if I go to the front end, I can go to dashboard, and now I am seeing the user as a user, right? This is the user view, so they don't get to see admin. They only get to see this. They get to see their videos. I'm sorry, the embeds that they've created, and manage them as well, right? So they can delete them, they can copy it to embed it again, or they can view it, right? So they can view this. They can create new ones. They can create it from here. And so remember, I mentioned that that they should have the embed name. So the embed name, I guess, got pushed to, or I only pushed it to the back end of the administrator. And I think that was, why did I do it that way? I think I did it that way because I wanted to be like, okay, you register. If you register, you get all these other options, right? If you don't register, you just do it from the front end, which is fine. You don't get all this management stuff, okay? And so you're able to, to enter the name here, whatever information you want to set up here, generate the embed code, and now your embed code is here. If I go back to the dashboard, I reload the page, I see test 2. I click this. Oh, I just copied it. I click this. I get to see the preview of what it's going to look like when I embed it. And of course, like I mentioned, it's this big because there's nothing else on this page. But if it were in a normal blog post, you would only see it would be nice and like this, right? It would look like this. So this is also an embed with a CTA over it. Yeah. So this is just a quick walkthrough of one of the apps that I've created. I hope you like it. I hope it inspires you to create your own app. If you have questions, just let me know. If you're interested in using this YTOOBI, let me know. Again, my goal is to create a SaaS from it so others can sign up for a nominal fee and then create their own YouTubes, have advanced options and stuff like that, and be able to manage their own embeds it's very, very powerful. If you've done any type of affiliate marketing, then you know how useful this can be. So yeah, if you're interested, want me to build something like this for you, let me know. If you want to use this, reach out to me. We'll work something out. This is still, I consider it like in beta mode. So yeah, let me know.